Hello friends, today we will discuss the relationship between Sensex, that is Indian Stock Market Index, and gold price. We always see that there is inverse relationship. Now we discuss how. The gold price is influenced by investor behavior, economic conditions, and global market trends. So, inverse relationship between Sensex and gold prices is seen in many cases. When Sensex rises, it usually means investors are confident in equities. So, demand for gold, a safe haven asset, decreases, leading to falling gold prices. When Sensex falls, investors look for safe investments, so they shift to gold, increasing gold prices. So we can understand with an example. During March 2020, COVID-19 crash, Sensex fell sharply from 42,000 to 26,000. At the same time, gold prices surged, crossing rupees 45,000 per 10 grams. Second is impact of economic stability. The strong economy, Sensex up, and gold down. Economic uncertainty, Sensex down and gold up. Reason: gold act as a hedge against inflation, currency depreciation, and market volatility. Third, global factors affect both. US dollar strength, crude oil prices, geopolitical tensions affect both Sensex and gold. For instance, when the US Federal Reserve hikes interest rates, foreign investors pull out from Indian equities, that is Sensex, and Sensex falls, and gold may rise as a safe asset. Correlation is not always perfect. It cannot be perfectly predicted. Sometimes both rise together. When inflation is high, Sensex can rise due to corporate profits while gold rises as an inflation hedge. For example, 21-22 stock market rallied post-COVID recovery and gold also stayed high due to inflation fears. So, mathematical correlation and historical trend. Long-term correlation between Sensex and gold in India is weakly negative, that is minus 0.2 to minus 0.3, meaning they often move in opposite directions, but not always.